Hi guys, this is Joseph, and this is a MoYu Weilong unboxing. So let's get into the package. So here's a card. Cube Depot. And here is the MoYu Weilong. Nice box. There's Felix. Careless. Instructions. And the Weilong. Oh, I thought it'd be a little bit smaller than that. It's 54.5 millimeter. Yep, it's not that big. It reminds me of a Thunderclap already. Bigger shape, just a little bit smaller. The worst packaging you can get. Open this stupid. Okay, so first turns. Okay. My first thoughts are, this feels a lot like a Thunderclap. Yeah, feels a lot like a Thunderclap, but I'm gonna break it in, lube it, and we'll see how it turns, and I'll make a review video after that. So let's look at corner cutting. Pretty good. As you all know, MoYu puzzles aren't that good out of the box, so might not be that good, but it will be better. And this is, I bought this for one-handed. This is gonna be my one-handed main. I'm not that fast at one-handed yet. So that's all I have for this video, and bye guys.